Emma on Instagram. Getting married is so important to me. How can I do it on a low income? Well, don't have to have, look, if marriage is what counts for you, if you love your partner and you want to make that legal, public, lawful commitment to get married, then get married. You don't have to have a huge, big ceremony. I know many people, you'll find in our Money Saving Weddings guide, stories of people who've just worn a nice dress or borrowed a dress from a friend or got something from a charity shop and then gone to the park afterwards to celebrate with a couple of picnic blankets and have asked all their friends to bring their own food and bring their own booze. It is a social pressure that you have to have the big white wedding with hundreds of guests. You don't. If you can and you want to and you can afford it, great. But I am always minded that it's more important to have a happy, stress-free marriage than an amazing, huge wedding. So if your wedding is going to lead you into debt or discomfort or depression because it impacts your life and your finances afterwards in a way that the two of you can't be happy together, forget it. Do it on a budget. Make the pledge if that's what you want to do. That's what marriage is, to love each other. Make that commitment, but it doesn't have to have all the bells and whistles. I'm not sure that's quite what you're asking. We do have a Money Saving Marriages guide on the site with lots of individual tips, which may be of more practical help. But I do think that philosophical concept that we've been pushed into the idea, it ain't a wedding unless it's a big wedding, is a load of balderdash baloney, or another B word you might think of.